Welcome back to the fifth and final video looking at Challenge 8, Chapter 4, Legal Billing. Here we will look at matters, but since this is largely very similar to clients, I am only focusing on significant differences. The matters front-end components are, like clients, matter form, matter list, matter update, matter search, and matter signals. Note that matters are assigned to clients and the matter number for each client begins at 1. You cannot have matters without clients, so the matter number is really the client number plus the matter number. The data flow remains unchanged, only the components change. Okay, so what components are significantly different? Matter search. Matter search now has matter name, client number, and matter number. The name search is the same as client search, but using matter names. Let's look at the code and bear in mind that all data was loaded in the main component except prebills. First thing I note is in the filtered data we are excluding matter.flagD. So, matters are soft deleted. Not deleted for audit requirements, but flagged and as such no longer displayed. Filtered data is used for the matter search drop-down. In matters, unlike clients, it will only display the selected matter after a name search. That was intentional as likely you will want to edit that matter, check the details. In function select matter, when a matter is selected from the drop-down, it is then checked for the client name and adds that to the set selected matter as a convenience. Now, the serve by number function is more verbose as it's handling for cases. 1. Both numbers empty. 2. Both numbers provided. 3. Only client provided and 4. Only matter provided. In each case, settle selected matter is updated based on which search type it is, and matter list uses set selected matter to determine what list is displayed. Nothing significantly different in markup. Next, matter list. In matter list, just a quick mention here that filter matters, because we have the different client number, matter number search options. This is more verbose than the equivalent in client list, but should be clear enough. Next, matter update. Matter update, a few differences here, none very significant. This uses a $derived to dynamically show the client's name and number. Remember, all client data in clients.json and all matter data is in matters.json, but here, we want to be able to display some of the client data with the matter. Similarly, we want to get the lawyer information for the lawyer assigned to the matter. A check client existence ensures the client exists when trying to add a matter. Next, matter signals. This contains signals for lawyers, as I do not have another set of components for lawyers, so convenient to place here. And that's all I can think of that's somewhat significantly different for matters. Next, prebills. Okay, so as mentioned before, prebills are charges that apply to matters. They could be disbursements, fees, time. Charges are applied to matters, and to have a matter you must have a client. Now the component names here are a little different: prebill form, prebill display rather than list, prebill update, and prebill signals. Prebills uses matter search. Data flow the same. So again, just focusing on significant differences. Prebill form. Here we display only the matter search, as you need to select a matter to see the prebills for that matter. Prebill display. This has a number of functions in signals for convenience that get the totals for disbursements, fees, time, which are not signals, just regular functions stored in the signals file. As no prebill data is loaded initially, we have an $effect here that will fetch the prebills for the specific client and matter number. Like matters, this has a delete flag, so excludes prebills that are marked as deleted. Calls prebill update with props for mode and selected prebill. Prebill update. Receives props from prebill display. Handle submit, calls separate signals for add org update. Not significant but not consistent. Prebill signals. For convenience, I added some disbursement signals to this file. ul0 has totals logic functions. Fetch prebills. This awaits fetch prebill by number in API server.js, which uses the dynamic route, the client / matters. Const URL equals legal prebills $client number / matter number. Using such a dynamic route allows a dynamic fetch of just the prebills required instead of all prebills. The get perms function of the dynamic routes plus server.js allows the client number and matter number to be extracted and used to fetch the specific prebills required. And that's pretty much it for the front-end components for matters and prebills. As for the backend, each dataset has its own API route and plus server.js file and data manager file. These are all pretty similar, and I will leave it to you to look through these. And that, my friends, is a wrap on Challenge 8, legal billing. What's next? How about a separate system for legal billing but using a MySQL backend instead of JSON files? How about this system as an actual website with authentication and PostgreSQL? This and more may incoming soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful or want more. All the best!